Hi, and welcome to another video of the listening practice series on my channel in English with Lisa. The short stories in these videos are all created and narrated by me. It's my voice you hear, not that of an AI, artificial intelligence program. This listening series is entirely in English, and it's separated in playlists of different levels, from A1 all the way up to C1 and C2. So, let's get started. Grab a notebook for any new vocabulary, get comfortable, and enjoy today's story. Welcome to today's short story. Cooking for Disaster. Chapter 1. The Cooking Show. Maria loved cooking. She was happy to be on the TV show Super Chef. The studio was big and bright. Many cameras were watching her. Her hands were shaking a little. The show host, Mr. Johnson, smiled at her. "Are you ready?" he asked. Maria nodded. She wanted to make her grandmother's special pasta recipe. Her grandmother taught her how to cook when she was a child. Maria started to cook. She mixed flour and eggs. She kneaded the dough carefully. The other contestants were busy too. Some were cutting vegetables. Some were cooking meat. Everyone wanted to win the big prize. 10 minutes left, shouted Mr. Johnson. Maria was worried. Her pasta was not perfect yet. She looked at her small bottle of special spice. It was her grandmother's secret ingredient. "I can do this," Maria thought. She opened the bottle and sprinkled some spice into her pasta sauce. Chapter 1 Comprehension Questions. Number 1. What is the name of the TV show? A. Super Chef. B. Cooking Masters. C. Food Challenge. The correct answer is A. Super Chef. Number 2. Who taught Maria how to cook? A. Mr. Johnson. B. Her mother. C. Her grandmother. The correct answer is C. Her grandmother. Number 3. What did Maria make? A. Chicken. B. Pasta. C. Salad. The correct answer is B. Pasta. Number 4. How did Maria feel at the beginning of the show? A. Very confident. B. A little nervous. C. Very relaxed. The correct answer is B. A little nervous. Chapter 2. The Secret Spice. The judges came to Maria's cooking station. Mr. Johnson watched her closely. Maria served her pasta with a nervous smile. The first judge, Mrs. Lee, took a bite. Suddenly, her eyes got big. "I have a secret," she said loudly. "I never tell anyone, but I once stole a cake from a bakery when I was a teenager." Everyone in the studio was shocked. Mr. Johnson looked confused. The other contestants stared at Mrs. Lee. The second judge, Mr. Rodriguez, also ate some pasta. "Oh no," he shouted. "I have to tell everyone something. Last year I told my boss I was sick, but I was at home watching a football game." Maria was surprised. What was happening? Her pasta seemed to make people tell secrets they never wanted to share. The third judge took a bite. "I am in love with my best friend's wife," he suddenly announced. The studio became completely quiet. Maria looked at her special spice bottle. What was this magical ingredient? Chapter 2, Comprehension Questions. Number 1. What happened to the judges after they ate Maria's pasta? A. They got angry. B. They started dancing. C. They began telling secrets. The correct answer is C. They began telling secrets. Number 2. What secret did Mrs. Lee tell? A. She stole a cake. B. She broke a window. C. She failed a test. The correct answer is A. She stole a cake. Number 3. What did Mr. Rodriguez admit? A. He was late for work. B. He lied to his boss. C. He missed a meeting. The correct answer is B. He lied to his boss. Number 4. How did Maria feel about the situation? A. Very happy. B. Very surprised. C. Very angry. The correct answer is B. Very surprised. Chapter 3. The Unexpected Ending. Maria knew she had to do something. The show was live on TV. Millions of people were watching the judges tell their secrets. She grabbed the spice bottle. "I'm sorry," she said to Mr. Johnson. "I didn't know this would happen." Mr. Johnson looked at her. "What is in that bottle?" he asked. "It was my grandmother's special spice," Maria explained. "She always said it was magical, but I thought she was just joking." Suddenly, the audience started laughing. Some people were crying. Some were shocked. The other contestants were confused. The show producers ran around. The cameras were still recording everything. Maria felt like she was in a crazy dream. "You are disqualified," Mr. Johnson told her, but he was also laughing. Maria packed her things. She was sad, but also a little proud. She had created the most exciting moment in the show's history. When she got home, she called her grandmother. "You were right," she said. "The spice is really magical." Her grandmother just laughed on the phone. Chapter 3 Comprehension Questions. Number 1. What did Maria do with the spice bottle? A. She threw it away. B. She kept it secret. C. She explained about it. The correct answer is C. She explained about it. Number 2. How did Mr. Johnson react? A. He was very angry. B. He was laughing. C. He was sleeping. The correct answer is B. He was laughing. Number 3. What did Maria do after the show? A. She went shopping. B. She called her grandmother. C. She went to sleep. The correct answer is B. She called her grandmother. Number 4. How did Maria feel at the end? A. Very sad. B. Very happy. C. A little sad and a little proud. The correct answer is C. A little sad and a little proud. Epilogue. 1 month later. Maria sat in a small cafe. She was drinking coffee and reading a newspaper. On the front page was a picture from the cooking show. The headline read, "The Day of Secrets, TV Show Scandal." Many things are different from that day. The cooking show became very famous. People talked about the magical spice episode everywhere. Some people thought it was a trick. Some people thought it was real magic. Maria's grandmother called her every week. "Are you famous now?" she asked and laughed. Maria always answered, "A little bit, Grandma." The judges from the show wrote books about their secrets. Mr. Rodriguez published a book called "The Day I Told the Truth." Mrs. Lee wrote "Confessions of a Secret Cake Thief." Mr. Johnson, the show host, invited Maria to do another show. "People love your story," he told her. But Maria was not sure. She kept the small spice bottle in a safe place, just in case. Her friends and family thought the whole thing was funny. Some people asked her to sign autographs. Some people asked her about the magical spice. Maria just smiled. Some secrets are better left unknown. Epilogue Comprehension Questions. Number 1. What did Maria do 1 month after the show? A. She was drinking coffee. B. She was cooking. C. She was sleeping. The correct answer is A. She was drinking coffee. Number 2. What did the newspaper show? A. A picture of her grandmother. B. A picture from the cooking show. C. A picture of Mr. Johnson. The correct answer is B. A picture from the cooking show. Number 3. What did the judges do after the show? A. They wrote books about their secrets. B. They stopped working. C. They moved to another country. The correct answer is A. They wrote books about their secrets. Number 4. How did Maria feel about being a little famous? A. She was very excited. B. She was worried. C. She was calm and a bit surprised. The correct answer is C. She was calm and a bit surprised. The end. Thank you for watching this video until the end. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notifications bell. This isn't an artificial intelligence. The story was narrated by In English with Lisa. I'm a native speaking teacher, and this is my real voice. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. I love hearing from all of you. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications bell so you never miss a new lesson. Plus, you'll help my channel grow, and you'll give me the possibility to create other videos that you can watch for free. See you soon. Bye.